Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will show you the unboxing and first impressions of the Retroid Pocket Mini, which comes in a new color. The device comes in a compact box and is elegantly packaged as usual by Retroid. Inside, you will find a protective screen that comes with a custom order, along with the Pocket Mini portable gaming device, an English user manual, and a Type-C charging cable. Design and manufacturing quality. This new portable device comes with an aspect ratio of 4.3, giving us some great atmosphere with a high-quality plastic body that is very well processed, characterized by its solidity, soft texture, and lightweight. The main feature of the Retroid Pocket Mini portable gaming device is the OLED screen. Here it will be a screen with a diameter of 3.7 inches and a resolution of 1280 by 960 pixels. The aspect ratio is 4:3 here. Of course, we will find all the standard buttons for fun games. Ease of portability. Its lightweight design and pocket-friendly size make it easy to carry, ensuring that you have your games with you wherever you go. It features a dual LED joystick, a D-pad placed on the upper left side of the device, and face buttons on the upper right side. The Retroid Pocket Mini comes with an ostrich texture that helps the user enjoy a long period of use without feeling bored due to the smooth design and classic edges of the device. Where impressions come first when holding the device. The device features a stylish design inspired by the old style, immediately reminiscent of the aesthetics of Android handheld devices. It reminds me of the old versions in terms of the texture of the buttons used in this modern compact version. The buttons are well placed. The Retroid Pocket Mini comes with sculpted corners to give a comfortable impression in prolonged use, a flat design and simple shoulder buttons that are somewhat hidden inside the cover, where the device's buttons work well. The controls and button layout on its face. The D-pad and buttons are well placed for ease of use. The design includes a traditional D-pad for old devices and control arms that provide ease of use for small hands and provide a nice tactile response. The build quality feels solid, with a slightly textured finish to the plastic body for improved grip. It is light enough for extended gaming sessions, yet feels sturdy in the hand due to its smooth back. The device's familiar Retroid design will not make you feel bored during long periods of operation. There is a main ventilation hole in the back of the device and the top of the device, with two outputs for speaker 1 and an output for speaker 2 on the front of the device. In terms of the device's ergonomics, it comes in a small size, ideal for gaming on the go. It is characterized by the comfort of the button design, weight and feel during extended use, as the device is relatively small, very similar to old devices with a classic print. In addition, there is a USB-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a cover covering the microSD card slot. Moving to the top, with the exhaust hole next to the power and volume control buttons. The bottom of the device with the ability to support communication methods, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. In addition, the current device also features stacked shoulder buttons, a 4:3 display, and 3 separate inputs at the bottom of the device for inserting a USB-C charger, headphones, or TF cards. The analog joysticks provide smoothness and precision during gameplay, featuring a soft, responsive click for easy use over long periods.